a brand new tank engine was puffing along the pseudo countryside. He was large and painted in a deep maroon. He also had the letters LMS on his side tanks. At the station, Thomas, Percy, and the Fat Controller were waiting. "Thomas, Percy," said the Fat Controller, "this is Arthur. He is here to shunt trucks and pull freight. Please show him around and make him feel welcome. He also has a spotless record." What's a spotless record?" asked Percy. "It means that he has never been naughty before." "Hello, Arthur," said Thomas and Percy. "Nice to meet you," Arthur replied politely. The engines worked busily, arranging trucks and sorting wagons. Thomas and Percy wanted the trucks hardly, but Arthur, wanting to keep his spotless record, didn't. After a while, Percy had to leave for the quarry with some trucks, so Thomas and Arthur were left alone. Arthur worked carefully and neatly. Thomas watched him for a moment. Then a mischievous idea crept into his funnel. "You know," said Thomas casually, "the trucks behave better when you push them. That way you can bump them easily if they misbehave." Arthur, who had never worked with troublesome trucks before, agreed. Thomas arranged a long line of troublesome trucks for Arthur. Soon, Arthur was heading down the line with the trucks in front of him. But as they were going down Gordon's Hill, the trucks began their tricks. Suddenly, they bumped Arthur. On! Faster, faster! Ha! Arthur, caught off by this, began to pick up speed. "Oh no! Stop! Duck was waiting patiently at the level crossing at the bottom of the hill. Arthur groaned. He knew his spotless record was ruined. Later, Thomas arrived and stared at the mess. "Oh dear, Arthur, what happened? Are you all right?" he asked. Arthur didn't answer. He felt too sad to speak. That evening, the Fat Controller came to the yard. "Thomas," he said, "how could you trick poor Arthur like that? He has only just arrived. You will stay in your shed until you can be trusted again." Thomas felt dreadful. He looked over at Arthur. "I'm sorry, Arthur," he said quietly. "I haven't been welcoming at all." "Ah, well," he said, "we live and learn. It's all right, Thomas." And from that day on, Thomas and Arthur were great friends.